Hello, in this video, we are going to see the 1xBet promo code and win iPhone. The procedure is very simple to do. Avant de continuer, je te conseille de créer un compte professionnel 1xBet en cliquant sur inscription tout en haut et en venant par email tout simplement, en remplissant toutes les informations nécessaires et en venant sur ton code promo pour pouvoir entrer le code BOTV. Tu obtiendras 300% de bonus à ta première recharge. Ceci dit, si tu mets $10, tu obtiendras $30. Continuons la vidéo. First, as you have registered your promo code on 1xBet now, so by using now your promo code, or for example by putting your first deposit of amount here, so by clicking on your electronic purse, you will see at the level of main account it will be the bonus account. That bonus account now is there because you have used your first deposit of account, or you have made it with a good and considerable amount of money. Now easy for you is to bet on your matches. You can see a lot of matches here, be it here at the level of popular or even menu, by coming at the level of the 1x games for the bonuses, your favorite, your cashback, by passing through the casino categories, the tournaments and the promo. When everything now will be set, you will now wait for like 15 or 10 to 15 days and above. So by waiting for it, what are you going to do now? You are now going to remove that amount of money by coming and clicking on your settings. Click on withdraw from account. By clicking on withdraw from account so as to gain your iPhone. So by doing so now, you will select a withdrawal fund from here, be it the mobile payment or even the cash. If for example you are to use the mobile payments, like for example MTN, by putting your phone number here, your amount of money, and now confirm by removing your amount of money so as to win your price of iPhone and buy it by yourself with your own money in your hands. And it is as simple as that.